Spotted CMB cache files cluttering your folders after using XnView image browser? These store thumbnail data for faster image preview. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to manage view and clean these XnView cache files on your system. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium CMB file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. A CMB file is a database cache created by XnView, a popular image viewer and organizer. It stores thumbnail images and metadata for the files in a specific folder, allowing the program to load previews much faster. Users often encounter these files when browsing their picture libraries with XnView. The CMB file is a proprietary binary database designed for rapid access. It contains pre-rendered thumbnails and extracted metadata, like EXIF data, to avoid reprocessing images every time a folder is opened. This design significantly improves performance, especially in directories with many large image files. The industry standard application for CMB is considered to be XnView MP from XnSoft. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows offers restricted insight, so reviewing the file properly must be done with cataloging software. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the CMB file and select Open With. Try XnView MP first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your CMB file will not open, do not worry. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent CMB problem. First, letting XnView manage cache. Allow XnView to manage CMB files automatically without manual intervention. The application creates updates and removes cache files as needed during normal use. Manual modification can corrupt the cache, requiring regeneration, which slows browsing temporarily, until the cache rebuilds during folder navigation. Next, cleaning cache files. Use XnView's tools, then manage cache function to clean CMB files efficiently. The interface provides options to clear cache for specific folders or all locations, recovering disk space when caches become unnecessarily large. Regular cache cleaning maintains optimal application performance and storage usage. Finally, disabling cache generation. Configure XnView through Tools, then Options, then Cache to disable thumbnail caching if you prefer to avoid CMB files. While this slows folder browsing, it eliminates cache file accumulation. Choose this option when working with constantly changing image sets, where caches become outdated quickly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.